Hey, what's going on? So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to rekey the lock on a Kwikset Smartkey doorknob. Now this is a brand new doorknob I just installed. This is the garage entry door. The main door of the house is also a Kwikset, and so I want to match the key so that it's only one key for the house. You don't need two separate keys. So it's very simple to do this. The first thing you want to do after you install your new knob, or if this is an existing knob, is just you want to make sure that it all works. So it opens and closes. When you lock it, it locks. When you unlock it, it unlocks. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to unlock it, pull the key out. Now before you go any further, you need to check your old key that we're setting to the new lock. So you're just going to insert that and see if it goes in all the way. If it does not, then unfortunately you're not going to be able to use your old key with this new lock set. If it does go in easily, then just pull the key out and move on to the next step. Now what we're going to do is take the new key that came with the new lock set, put that back in, turn it 90 degrees clockwise to the right, and that will put it in the locked position. And the key's not going to want to come out when it's in that position. Then you use the little tool that they give you, and there's a little hole there, and you're going to jam that in there, boop, like that, pull it out again, and now the key will come out. Now you're going to grab the existing key that we're going to be setting this to, insert that, and turn it 180 degrees counterclockwise to the left, which is the unlocked position, and then back straight up and down and pull it out. And then there you go. Now you're keyed to your new lock. So let's try it out. It works. We're going to lock it. It's locked. And we'll unlock it. It's unlocked. That's it. So it was super quick and easy. Hopefully it was helpful. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up down below. Consider subscribing for more how-to DIY tips, and I will see you on the next video.